Streaming live, and this is the main gate of the project where you see the blue and white color gate. On the left hand side is the Kalewadi flyover, and in front of the gate is the old Mumbai Pune highway. So आप जैसे ही यहाँ से आप जा रहे हैं towards the project, this is approximately 26 acres of plot area that Runwal is proposing to develop with a mixed development, commercial and residential. So, see, look at the greenery that you can see at the project. You know, we are going to maintain this greenery. On the left hand side is Empire Estate. On the right hand side, where you see a blue structure, that is going to be our permanent experience center. And while you're going towards the white structure, right now we are ready with our sample flats and everything. So most of the clients have a question that whether the site visits will be open. Yes, we are going to open the site visits once the lockdown is lifted. So that's how the development is going to take place. As I said, it is going to be a combination of commercial as well as residential. The white area, as I said, is a total experience center, which will have a total, experience in terms of how we are going to develop this project. We will also show you the sample flat, the audio visual of the project, and in detail, we will explain you when you all visit the site. So there is one more gate that we have proposed. That is, there is a proposed gate towards the flyover that you see below the flyover. So there are going to be two gates to the project: the main gate that I showed you, and the proposed gate, which where we are zooming. So you can see the development around.
Right.
This is, as Nitinji said, the right property is what one should wait for. Definitely, this is the right property to buy a flat at. See the development that this location has. Empire Estate, a lot of other developments in and around. Uh, the plot area is, it's a huge plot area of 26 acres. I don't think Pimpri has this huge development as of now. Uh, yes, we are moving towards the main gate again. So this is the first time we are streaming live. I think post the lockdown, I think all of you will be excited to see the development at the site. Please stay tuned for the Runwal codename Runwal New Beginnings. We are very happy to share this with you once you all visit the site. ये मेन गेट है यहाँ पे.